Are you anxiously awaiting the release of the Realme C67 5G? You're not alone. The buzz is real and for good reason. Realme has confirmed the launch date of this much-anticipated handset, setting the tech world abuzz. And the excitement doesn't stop there. This isn't just another addition to Realme's lineup, oh no. The Realme C67 5G is claimed to the first 5G phone in Realme's C series. A game-changer, you might say. Earlier this year, Realme launched the C51 India. While it was a hit, it lacked 5G connectivity. Now, with the C67 5G, Realme is stepping up its game, offering 5G capabilities in a budget-friendly package. The design has also been revealed, adding fuel to the fire of anticipation. And it's not just about what's on the inside. With the launch date set December 14th, the anticipation for the Realme C67 5G is palpable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech news. So, what can we expect from the Realme C67 5G? Let's delve into its design and features. The design of the Realme C67 5G, as teased on Realme India's website, is a fresh take on the C series. The phone is showcased in a vibrant green color, a choice that's both bold and trendy. The back panel houses a slightly raised circular camera module, placed elegantly at the top corner. This module comprises 2 camera units and a rectangular LED flash, a design that's both aesthetic and functional. Now let's talk about the cameras. The engraving within the camera module reveals an exciting feature, an artificial intelligence-backed 50-megapixel camera. This suggests that the Realme C67 5G is geared to deliver high-quality, detailed photos, adding a professional touch to your photography. Turning the phone around, the front display is equally impressive. It's a flat display with slim bezels all around, except for a slightly thicker chin at the bottom. This design enhances the viewing experience, making it immersive. The top of the panel houses a centered hole punch slot for the front camera unit, following the current trend in smartphone design. The phone also sports a flat side frame with rounded corners, a design element that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also ensures a comfortable grip. The power button and volume rockers are conveniently placed on the right edge, making them easily accessible. Now let's address one of Realme's claims about this model. The company claims that the Realme C67 5G is the thinnest 5G smartphone in its segment, with a thickness of just 7.89 mm. If this holds true, it's an impressive feat considering the features this phone packs. However, some details are still under wraps. The charging capacity and the phone's IP rating, for instance, are blurred on the microsite, suggesting that Realme is saving some surprises for the official launch. The Realme C67 5G is shaping up to be a sleek, feature-packed device. This phone promises to deliver a robust performance, a great camera setup, and a stylish design, all at a budget-friendly price. It's a phone that's well worth the wait. Now let's talk about the potential price and availability of the Realme C67 5G. Leaks suggest that this smartphone could be a budget-friendly option for those seeking to explore the 5G realm. The price range is expected to sit comfortably between 12,000 and 15,000 rupees. Not only is this a palatable price for a 5G device, but it's also a welcome addition to Realme's C series of phones. The Realme C67 5G is likely to be available in several RAM variants. We're talking 4, 6, and 8 gigabytes, offering users a range of choices to suit their specific needs. And of course, the aesthetic appeal hasn't been forgotten. The phone is rumored to be available in green and purple color options. If these leaks are accurate, the Realme C67 5G will be an affordable entry into the world of 5G devices. With the launch date fast approaching, let's recap what we know about the Realme C67 5G. This much-anticipated handset is set to make its official debut in India on December 14th at noon, India Standard Time. The Realme C67 5G is touted as the first 5G phone in Realme's C series, making it a landmark release for the brand. The design, revealed on Realme India's website, showcases a chic green color option with a slightly raised circular rear camera module, housing 2 camera units and a rectangular LED flash. The front panel features a flat display with a centered hole punch slot for the front camera. As for the pricing, insiders hint at a range between 12,000 and 15,000 rupees, making it an affordable option for the 5G market. The Realme C67 5G promises to be a game-changer in the budget 5G segment. Mark your calendars for December 14th. As we near the end of this video, let's take a moment to reflect on the Realme C67 5G. With its stylish design, powerful features, and affordable price tag, it's easy to see why this phone is generating so much excitement. It's not just a new phone, it's a game-changer in the budget 5G segment. If the buzz is anything to go by, the Realme C67 5G is set to make a significant impact on the market upon its release. So, if you're in the market for a new phone, you might want to take a closer look at this one. And before we wrap up, remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. We'll be following the launch and the aftermath closely, so stay tuned for our detailed review and user feedback.